Welcome to the lesson, Birds. Now that you are familiar with some birds, do you think they look different from other animals? What makes bird a bird? Let us list these features. It has 2 feet. It has its body wrapped in feathers. Its body is light, due to which it can fly easily. It has wings to fly. It lays eggs. It has a beak for eating. Have you wondered if birds have teeth? Do they have mouth like us? Do they chew their food like us? Birds do not have teeth. They have beaks which help them to feed. Different type of birds have different kinds of beaks. Depending upon the type of food they eat, birds can perform different types of tasks using their beaks. You can easily classify birds on the basis of the beaks they have. Let us learn about these different beaks. Click on each category to know more. Fruit eating. Birds that eat fruit often have very large bills region near the chin in relation to head size, so that they can grasp large pieces of fruit and break through the outer skin to the soft fruit inside.